Welcome to the online public presentation for the Westbound US 20 Bridge Replacement Project located over Middle Fork Catfish Creek and the Canadian National Railroad in the city of Dubuque.
During the online presentation, we will explain what will happen during the project and how it will affect residents and community members who use the highway. We will also provide you information on the expected construction schedule, the traffic control plan, and how you can submit your questions and comments on the project.
As mentioned earlier, the bridge replacement project will take place on the Westbound US 20 bridge that is located between North Crescent Ridge and Wacker Drive over Middle Fork Catfish Creek and the railway line.
The project involves removing the existing steel girder bridge built in 1961 and replacing it with a modern pre-tensioned, pre-stressed concrete beam bridge. The new, wider and longer bridge will be constructed to meet current design standards. The new bridge will have two 12-foot wide driving lanes and wider shoulders. New bridge approaches will also be constructed and new guardrail will be installed. Additional work includes acquiring permanent easement from the Canadian National Railroad, replacing two existing culverts, and bridge approach work on the eastbound US 20 bridge.
This display shows the project's preliminary traffic control plan. Access to businesses and homes from or to US 20 will be maintained by temporarily managing traffic movement at entrances and local roads. During the bridge replacement, westbound traffic in this area will be down to one lane. Temporary westbound median crossovers will be constructed and used to move westbound traffic to the existing eastbound bridge so the westbound bridge can be removed. In preparation to divert traffic around bridge construction work, the median crossovers will be constructed during construction season 2025. Traffic on US 20 traveling in the eastbound direction will continue to use two lanes. In spring 2026, when bridge construction is expected to begin, additional temporary traffic control measures will take place. For instance, at the west side of the project, access to residential property and Hobby Lobby will be provided through North Crescent Ridge. The entrance at the Ford dealership will have right-in, right-out access from or to eastbound US 20. The left turn movements from or to westbound US 20 will be temporarily restricted. Motorists traveling westbound on US 20 will be able to access Kennedy Mall by turning right onto Century Drive. But turning right or left from Century Drive onto US 20 will be temporarily restricted. Motorists wishing to access the Warren Plaza shopping mall will need to use Wacker Drive.
Our anticipated schedule and cost is as follows. Construction of the westbound single lane crossovers is expected to begin fall of 2025. After the median crossover traffic control setup is complete, bridge construction is expected to start spring of 2026 and end late fall of 2026. The bridge replacement project is programmed for fiscal year 2026, and the estimated total cost is $6.5 million. This concludes our online presentation. You may submit questions or comments by March 12th by going online, sending an email or regular postal mail, and by calling the phone number listed. Please take time to look at the project display and provide us feedback on the proposed project improvements and traffic control plan. If you need assistance to review the online material, please contact us. Thank you for your participation.